Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and this is Chris Digitals. I know it's been a long time I posted a video on planners, digital planners, journaling and calendars. But I've decided to come back to make videos about this because I have created something that is totally unique and different. I would say it's the best planner, digital planner I have created yet. All right, guys, so this video is going to be very long, so I've decided to break this video into 3 parts. Okay, the first one, which you are watching right now, is going to introduce you to the planner, and it's going to show you the installation process. And the next one, the next video will talk about all the different sections and pages and how they work. And the last video is just going to show you the in-depth features of the planner. Okay, this planner is made for the Samsung Note. All right, it's like if you have this Samsung Note, this one right here, if you have that, then that would be easy for you to use this one right here. But if you don't have the Samsung Note and you have Note shelf, you can use that. If you have Zodo, the PDF editor, you can use that. If you have Good Notes, you could use that. But this is specifically made for mobile phones, and it is for Samsung specifically. Samsung Note taking app. A lot of people don't know about it. Some people have had the Samsung Note on their phone for ages and they don't even use it. If you have that and you don't use it, you are missing out a lot. You're doing yourself a disservice if you are into digital note taking. So this is the reason why I'm going to show you guys the features that this has and the benefits of using my digital planner with the Samsung Note. And there's something else I want to share with you guys. This is also powered by Google Workspace. I had to link some of these events to Google Workspace. You guys are going to enjoy this. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's look into the installation, how you can get this on your Samsung Note taking app. Let's go. Okay, so let's open our Samsung Note. All right, so the first thing you will do is you can go to my website, right? You go to my website and you will download, right? Let me just go back here. You will download the app, all right? You will download the digital planner. And once it's been downloaded, it's going to be stored in your download folder on your phone. Okay, so now let's make sure you have that downloaded on your phone. So you will go to your My File Manager. If you use Solid Explorer, any file manager that you have, you can use to open. Okay, so now we want to go and check if that has been downloaded. So you're going to go to My File. Okay, so it's under download. So if you go to, so your file will be something like this. So you will see images, videos, audio files, documents, download. Okay, so that's where you want to go. So you're going to click on download, and that's where your file will be. The one you downloaded on my website, this is where it's going to be stored. Okay, and now you're going to see the official schedule planner, and that's a zip file. Okay, so it's easy to extract the zip file. All you have to do is just click on it once, and on the bottom here you will see where it says extract. Don't click cancel, you want to extract. Okay, so you click extract. You can change the name to your planner or leave it as is. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to click extract. Now your folder or your file has been extracted into a folder called Official Schedule Planner. So if I click on it, you will see all the files that are in here. Just wanted to note something here. You will see the PNG files that are colored. Those are your sticky notes, and I'll tell you guys how to use those later in I think the part 2 of the video. I'll show you guys how to use that. And you will see the blank PDF, you will see the dotted page, you will see important readme file, and you see other stuff. Now the bottom here, you will see the schedule planner. This is the main digital planner that you're looking for. Okay, so I want you guys to just see this, and now we're going to go back to our Samsung Note app. Okay, so we're going to open the Samsung Note app. There are 2 ways you can install this onto your phone. The first one is just to go straight up and click the plus if you're in all notes. All right, if you are on this page that says all notes, you can just click this import PDF. Okay, if I click on that, you will see that it says import, like you can, it's going to bring you to this internal storage. And now if you go to your download folder, watch what happens. You will not see that because it's been extracted out from your download folder when you click extract. Okay, so we're going to go back, and it's created its own folder, because these are your folders on your internal storage. So it created its own folder. So now you're going to go down and you're going to see it right there. It says official schedule planner. So I'm going to click on it, and now you're going to see all the PDF. Remember, we said import PDF. We didn't say import all files, right? So import PDF will only show the PDF, while the PNG has been already installed onto your phone. Okay, it's already on your image file, like your pictures on your phone. It's sitting there right now. Okay, I'm going to show you guys when ready to use that sticker notes, okay, or sticky notes. I'll show you guys where they are. It's on your phone anyways. Okay, so you can now select. Okay, you can select what you need, and what you need right now, go with me, you just need this and the one that says important readme.pdf. Those are all you need right now. The rest, I will show you what to do with them as well. Not now. All right, now we're going to click on done. Okay, it's going to ask you all this PDF, add all this PDF to OneNote or create a separate note for each. I don't want to do OneNote, like not the OneNote app, not that one I'm talking. It means like add them as a single note, okay? But I want to do create separate notes. The reason is because the important file is just for you to read something there, and that's it. All right, so I'm going to click on this. So now it has created 2 different notes. Now this is the main note tab. This is the main digital planner that has 440 pages in it. This one is just one single important page, and this page is important because this is going to just tell you when you install the planner and you click on it to open it for the first time. It's not going to show you the dashboard. It's not going to show you that home page. Instead, it's going to show you a business plan page. And that is not something I intend to do. It just happened when I was arranging the files to start linking them. So I forgot to remove that business page and take it away and put my home page in the first place. So that was an error, but there is a workaround on it. If you see that the house icon, you will see the house icon like this. You see it on every single page of this planner. All you need to do to get to your home and dashboard is just to click on that. Once you click on that house icon, it's going to take you to your dashboard, your home page. Okay, so that's all this page is talking about. And also this page also mentioned for you to log into your Google account on your phone, which is a no-brainer because if you have a smartphone, you probably have your Google Calendar already logged in. If you use your Gmail, you're already logged in. So automatically you're already logged in anyways. The reason is because some of the features of this note will be able to help you to to set reminders, schedules, and events on your phone and on your planner. Okay, so that's why I said don't forget to do that and just enjoy using your planner. Okay, all right, now let's go back to the planner. The other way I wanted to show you guys how to install this is the same way of installation, but see how it's just part of all my notes. I don't want that. So for me, this is the way I prefer to add this to my Samsung Notes. I'm going to go to this. I'm going to go to folders. All right. Click on folders. I want to organize this properly for myself. So I'm going to come here where these three dots are that says more options. I'm going to click on it and it's going to say create folder. I want to create a folder for my digital planner. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to say schedule planner. Okay, and I'm going to choose a color for it. Let's see, what color should I go with? I'm going to go with this color. All right, I'm going to say add. And now you can see it at the bottom right here. Okay, so now I'm going to open the folder. I'm going to open it. All right, so it's empty right now. There's nothing inside of it. Now I'm going to add the PDF digital planner. I'm going to add it inside this file. I can either do this or I can go back here. I can just hold this. Okay, and I can say move. Right, can scroll all the way down and just click schedule planner where my folder is, and I just say move. So now that has been moved to this. So if I click on this, you can see it's now there. Okay, so that's the way I prefer to do mine, to have things organized. Okay, so now that we've done this, I've shown you guys the installation process, shown you how to add it onto your Samsung Notes, and I've also showed you how to create a folder to put it in your Samsung Notes. Now that we've done that, we're gonna go and start using this digital planner. Okay, now let's click on it and then I'll show you guys how it looks like. So the first time you open this how it will look like. Like I said, it's going to show you the business plan page, which is not, intended to do, but here we are, right? Okay, so the next thing we can do, we can now go to, if you're using the Samsung Note, you can use your stylus pen. If you don't have a stylus pen and you just have like a regular Samsung Note phone, not the Ultra, you can just use either, you can use your finger and you can use that, or you can just use any other stylus for touchscreen devices and just use it. Okay, so now we can just click on this book area that says reading mode. You can check that, click on it, and you will see it change to gray, which means it's ready for you to start clicking the links and they will start responding. Okay, if you click on it and it's like this, you can only write on it, okay, or type on it. All right, erase that. So now we're going to just click on this and now we can go down here and click on the home. So now you've seen the home screen of the scheduled digital planner. Okay, so you've seen that. So now this is the home screen. Next video, we're going to be talking about the calendar. We're going to talk about the schedule. So the next video will be calendar and schedule and how we work around them. And the third video will be the business and the vision board. This is amazing. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in getting this digital planner, the link to the website will be in the description. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.